Welcome to our channel. Are you looking for a superfood that can boost your health and wellness? Look no further. In this video, we will uncover the incredible benefits of incorporating cottage cheese into your diet. From improved muscle health to enhanced digestion, cottage cheese has a lot to offer. So let's dive into the amazing world of cottage cheese and discover how it can benefit you. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our informative videos. All right, let's get started. Cottage cheese is a type of fresh cheese made from the curds of cow's milk. It is known for its creamy texture, mild flavor, and versatility in the kitchen. But what makes cottage cheese truly special are its numerous health benefits. One of the top benefits of eating cottage cheese is its high protein content. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy immune system. Cottage cheese is an excellent source of complete protein, which means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but cannot produce on their own. This makes it an ideal choice for vegetarians and vegans who may have limited protein options in their diets. In addition to its protein content, cottage cheese is also rich in calcium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in maintaining strong bones and teeth. Just 1 cup of cottage cheese can provide up to 28% of the recommended daily intake of calcium for adults. Calcium is also essential for nerve function, muscle contraction, and blood clotting, making it a vital nutrient for overall health. Another great benefit of eating cottage cheese is its low-calorie and low-fat content, making it an excellent option for weight management. With only around 100 calories per half-cup serving and minimal amounts of fat, cottage cheese can be a satisfying and guilt-free snack or ingredient in various recipes. Plus, its high protein content can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and overeating. But wait, there's more. Cottage cheese is also a good source of other essential nutrients, such as vitamin B12, phosphorus, and selenium. Vitamin B12 is crucial for nerve function and the formation of red blood cells, while phosphorus is essential for bone formation and energy production. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and protects against oxidative stress. With its nutrient-rich profile, cottage cheese can contribute to your overall health and well-being. The versatility of cottage cheese is yet another benefit worth mentioning. Cottage cheese can be used in a variety of recipes, both sweet and savory, making it a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. From smoothies and salads to casseroles and desserts, cottage cheese can add creaminess, protein, and nutrition to your favorite dishes. It can be a fantastic substitute for higher calorie or higher fat dairy products like cream cheese or sour cream, making it a healthier option without sacrificing flavor. Incorporating cottage cheese into your diet is easy and delicious. You can enjoy it as a standalone snack, a topping for toast or crackers, or as a base for dips and spreads. Cottage cheese can also be paired with fresh fruits, nuts, and seeds for a satisfying and nutrient-packed breakfast or snack option. Its creamy texture and mild taste make it a versatile canvas for your culinary creativity. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of eating cottage cheese. From its high protein content to its low-calorie and low-fat profile, cottage cheese is a nutritional powerhouse that can support your health and wellness goals. So, why not give it a try and unlock the amazing benefits of this versatile dairy product? Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thanks for watching.